Today I'm going to show you how to create and organize files in Google Drive. First I'm going to make a sample doc using a template. To get a template, select Create, hover over Doc with your mouse, and then select Template and choose the template you want. Templates are good for specific documents, class reports, resumes, notes, etc. I'm just going to choose the book report template as an example. Next I'm going to make a spreadsheet. And I'm just going to use the to-do list one. Okay, now that you know how to use templates, I'm going to talk about theme. In the Momentum theme, templates are helpful for the setup or structure of a presentation or other file, and themes are good for the style of a presentation. You can use templates for most of the Google Drive options, like Google Drawings, Google Sites, etc. Now that you know how to create files in Google Drive using templates and themes, I'm going to show you how to organize your files in Google Drive. So first I'm going to make 2 folders and place some of my sample files from before in each one.
Oh my god. I feel it. Probably. I hope you do.
There is directions for that.
I'm not in the mood today.
Oh, is it because I beat you at
Next, I'm going to recolor both folders. Coloring folders make your drive look better and you can be more organized. So to color folders, all you have to do is right-click on the folder, press Change Color, and then select the color of your choice. And then I'm just going to do that for the other one also. So to rename a folder, you just right-click on the folder, press Rename, and then type in the new name. Renaming folders